Okay, but no, in all seriousness too, no. So there's a lot of other things you can do too. So emulating coaches, you know what I mean? This, so, you know, emulating you're naked, or you can grasp, and go out like so, like defensive, like as you're coming down, like say you're doing like a jujitsu roll backwards. So like you'd be emulating that also. You know, as they're coming, or you grab their gi and you flip them. And then like you can do, if you're really feeling strong, you can do some one-handed curls with it. And you're getting the pump still with the legs, everything else. Or you can go this way. Some more fingers. You can bring it out like one-handed. Oh, no, he's got my arm. Oh, I have to defend. There you go. Twist the leg and evade. And then backwards, like so. And then if you're really strong, I hope I don't break these bands. I broke a lot of bands too. But so you go like this, and then you push back like so. Ooh. But you gotta watch it because they swag in the face when they break. But then work the shoulders, the tries, the lats, the delts, like everything. Like your obliques. So yeah, I'm plugging this shit out of the ab lounge for my little bitch ass. Little bitch ass band. Because I can't be carrying around the heavy weights with me right now. It's just too much weight.